Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, starting quite warm out there on this Friday Eve in the low to mid 70s. We did have some 60s earlier, still only a couple left. That would be Pikeville at 69 and 65 in Cumberland. Everybody else is north of that now, and still some patchy fog hanging on deep in some valleys, but most of that has really lifted and started to burn off. We have a front from yesterday that's still draped across the state. That front is going to hang with us into the afternoon, and it'll bring another chance for some spottier showers. The best chance for that is going to be into the southern part of the state. You see right here, not much out there, so very spotty. Most of us will not deal with rain today. Now we push that front out of here, and we'll wake up tomorrow morning to slightly lower humidity across the state, allowing us to get into the mid to upper 60s for overnight lows. Tomorrow afternoon, a small rain chance, similar to today, only 20%. So the better rain chances are now becoming a thing of the past. Now we get into the weekend, and this model wants to try to put us again on the fringe of a high pressure center. We may have to watch for some complexes of storms to the north that may try to ride south on Saturday. We'll see if that's possible or not. A lot of guidance says no, as the high is really building in more. We'll keep an eye on that. For sure, though, it is going to be getting hotter into the weekend. Still on the warm side today, mid and upper 80s, a spotty shower or two not out of the question. Most of us are dry, mostly clear with some patchy fog tonight, mid to upper 60s. Going into the weekend, this is that upper level high I was mentioning. So Saturday, that would kind of put us on the edge of that, which is how you can sometimes get little disturbances that ride around that, which could lead to an uptick in at least some showers or storms. That's why we've kept at least a small rain chance going into the weekend. But the trend, though, is for hotter temperatures, to say the least. Into next week, though, at least early to mid next week, a little better rain chance starts to drop back in here as that upper level high starts to lose its grip on the state and moves away. But in the meantime, again, today, mid and upper 80s, spotty storms around, spotty storm Friday. We will keep that rain chance Saturday at 10% for now, but we'll have to watch to see if we can get some storms from the north to drop in. Otherwise, hot. I mean, we're talking hot and a little more humid as we go into early next week before a cold front tries to bring a cool down by the end of next week.